Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just have a small Dollar Tree haul. I went today and I needed some mounting tape, so I got two of that mounting tape. And then I saw this frame. It looks so cute. It's like an 8x8. And I think it looks so cute. It says love lives here. And look at the details on that one. It's like a pretend canvas kind of feel. But I think it looks so cute and it works well my decor. So I think it's going to be awesome to add it in there in the living room. Then next I saw some stickers. I got this for my daughter. So these are the stickers. They have a unicorn, some cotton candy, like very popular stuff for the summer. This reminded me of the Doodlebug collection. So cute, and they are dimensional. They're on Pop Dots. I'm going to give it to my daughter. And next, because I was still playing with the Carla Bella Spring Market collection, I thought these two collections, this collection would work really, really well with it. These are the dimensional stickers from the Dollar Tree. I think they look really good if you pair them up well with a specific collection, but not by themselves, you know what I mean? So I think that looks good. Then this one is great for summer, any kind of road trips. And the travel, that'll be great as like a title for a mini album. I think it's gonna look great in an embellishment cluster. Looks so good. And I like this tag actually. See, it has like a tree. Sorry. Has a tree and then like a postage tag. Sorry about the glare. I think it looks good. And then last one, that's an embellishment. Last one for the raised stickers, another travel one. This one is probably if you're going to like a beach location. It'd be perfect. Welcome to paradise. There's a beach one right there. What got me is a suitcase because I'm a sucker for suitcases. Anything suitcase, yes, sign me up. I thought that was really, really cute. So inspiring. So that's going to be good for travel. And then I found these. This is a slime for my daughter that I got too. And then this one I got some book rings for mini albums. And these are new stickers that I saw. So I'm going to start with, I got 4 of that with different designs. This one is the first one. So it's transparent, as you can see. So I'm going to back it up like this. This reminds me of the Doodlebug Ahoy collection. So when you peel it off, see, it's like, I don't know how to describe it. But it is pretty cool. See? It's like a chime, like the window thing that the kids paint. But it's in sticker form and it's already painted for you. So it has so many designs. There's like a ship, some yachts, lots of cute whales, and this is my favorite whale right there. So it has 12 pieces, and I thought it was cute to try for $1. And then they have other designs. They have a cactus one that I didn't get, but they have this unicorn one. And you know, my daughter's 10 years old, and she loves anything unicorn and rainbows, so I got that for her. Sorry about the glare again, but it has a lot of rainbows, a lot of rainbow colored hair of the unicorn, and lots of unicorns. So that's 13 pieces right there. I think it's super cute. And then this one I thought is so cute, like the fox. So cute. I thought this would be perfect for like a baby mini album. Like a woodland theme, anything woodland theme would be. It would be so cute because it's so, like the silver parts, it's raised. Like you can totally feel the texture right there. It's really, really cool. Anyway, if you have that at your Dollar Tree, grab one and try it out. Then this one is a cute one. The pineapple one that I'm going to be pairing with the summer collection that I got last year from Doodlebug. because it had doodlebug elements. And I thought it's so cute. Some of them, this one is a bronze one, this one is black, and this is silver. So they have 2 bronze, 4 blacks, and then 3 that has like a silver layout on it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my small haul. And if you like any of the items, go to your local Dollar Tree and find some goodies. Have a crafty day. Bye!